Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to find the locations to buy the Angular rod and fix it. So let's get started. First just go to the Lost Isle. This is the only place where you can access the Angular rod shop. And then if you reach in this area, just equip your diving gear like this. And then just start dive down and head toward this underwater building. Like this, just go to this where just go to this building, this one. This one, like this, and then next you will find the Angular Road display like this. This is where you can purchase it. The Angular Road costs 8 million coins, and then it comes with the powerful stats. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.